Alright, now that you know the alphabets, let's say the alphabets. Alright, are you ready?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, B, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
Alright guys, now that you learned the alphabets, I'll give you 1, 2, 3 stars. Yay! Well guys, I hope you had fun learning the alphabets today. Don't forget to click on the like button, subscribe, and click on the notification bell so that you will be alerted if a new video is out. Alright, so that will be for now, and continue learning with Jigger. Bye!
Learning is fun with Jigger.